Hi everybody, today I'm going to show you a 1965 Shasta Airflyte, and the owner is not going to be on camera. I'm just going to show it to you myself. So she has lots of cute decorations here. This looks like this would be a dinette, and they have made it into a bed. So she has lots of cute things here. I'm not sure if those are hubcaps or not that she's painted. I'll have to find out. And this is it for that end. You see her bunting here. Sunflowers and pumpkins. And then here is the kitchen area. Now she did tell me that when she bought this countertop was painted black. And she paid someone to have this new counter put in. And then she has her fridge down there. Lots of storage in this one. Let me fix her towel. And there's the sink. It looks like there's no stove. And right now they're cooking outside, so I guess that's how they cook. Unless it's bad weather. Cute little things here she has for decoration. Now this is a bunk bed, but she is using it just for decoration for all the vintage things. We are at a camping rally for vintage campers. But that could be an extra bed up there, a bunk bed. And then down here is another bed. And it looks like that one is a gaucho bed that slides out. So it probably goes back to a couch during the daytime if you didn't want to leave it set up as a bed. And then she has a checkered floor. And this, she told me that she paid someone to build this for her with all these drawers. So there is a ton of storage in here. And this adorable apron, she won that on Facebook. I'm not sure how she won it, but that's how she got that. And it's really cute. Let's see over here. Well, I might need one of those if I had a place to put it. I have a camping problem. If I am not camping, I have a problem. I have nowhere to put that though, but it's cute. I'm not sure if she has air conditioning in here. There is none on the roof, so she may not have any. Trailer trash, that is cross stitch. So I'm going to do some still shots for you to show, but I wanted to show you the camper. I will also find out how long it is. I'm thinking maybe about 17 feet. But I will put it in here and let you know what it is. So there is a vent up there. Looks like an original gas light over there. Storage cabinets. And then I'm not sure. I think I showed you this part. So I'm going to put some still shots in, and I thank you for watching, and please give it a thumbs up and hit that notification bell and subscribe if you haven't already. I'll show you the outside here, and be sure to check out my other videos because there's a lot of them, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.